Want to achieve this beautiful flawless look with 3 steps and a little bit of leave out, then keep on watching, you guys. So today I'm working with Beauty Forever Hair. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Of course, we got the goodies, the goods, the hair caps, the clips. They included a headband, scarf, and this is the unit, guys. This is a V-part wig. I believe it's 24 inches, and we're gonna just jump right into it. So step with clips around the parting perimeter, and it also has combs to stick into the back and the sides. So we're just gonna pop those in. And guys, would you look at the amount of leave out? It's really nothing at all. Be sure to secure the combs on the perimeter so that your wig is secure. And like I said, guys, this is like the most minimal leave out I have ever had. And I had a great experience, and it was full coverage all the way around. It looks so good. I used my big wand barrel to curl this hair. I'll leave the link to this wand curler down in the description box. It has different heads, so you're able to choose which curl experience you want to have. But as you guys can see, the curls are bouncy and beautiful and shiny. This hair curled like a charm, and it just looked absolutely gorgeous with the color. So I'm just going to let you guys continue to watch this process, and I will chat with you about this hair and show you the final look. Okay, guys, would you look at this? This is such a gorgeous unit. I absolutely love this color on me, and it just looks so good. It's long. You guys see the curls. They are really bomb, and this unit is just perfect. You guys know that my leave out is a pretty good length, but it still does blend well with this hair because of the mixture of highlights and things like that. So even if you have shorter hair, this would be the perfect unit for you. Short or long or medium, this unit can work because you do not have to leave out a lot of hair at all. So I absolutely love this, guys. As you can see, it's giving glam. The color is so good, and this unit was super easy to install. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and I will chat with you guys down in the description box. Remember, do what you love and love what you do, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.